Hi everyone and welcome to the first devlog on this channel. I hope you will enjoy it and let's get right into it. So in the background you can see me modeling a platform which the character will jump on in the game. This is the first part of the video where you can see me modeling. Then there will be Unreal Engine part, and at the end of the video I will show you the level that I made. This is the progress of the game during 1 week. I started Sunday afternoon and now it's Friday when I'm recording this video. So here you can see another model I modeled in Blender. It's the wall of the level, and now I'm starting to model a tutorial guide screen which will guide you in the beginning of the game. It's basically a flying screen which will have some words on it, some sentences, basically a tutorial written on it, and it will like hover in the level and tell you what you can do or how you can do it. I tried to like make it a bit low poly so the performance of the game is good, but maybe I will have to redesign it later for a bit high poly if the game will run smoothly. So let's just talk about the game. It will be a platformer. I took inspiration from Icy Tower, which is, I don't know, from like around the year 2000, and I quite enjoyed it. I played it a lot at my grandmother's house, so that's one of the most nostalgic games for me. And I wanted to remake the game in 3D basically, but with some new mechanics. I tried to render it so I can see how it looks like, or how it will look like in Unreal Engine, but it will look a bit like quite a lot different. Also now I'm running into the problem that I wanted to put a bunch of things in the video, like of the footage, bunch of footage in the video. It's me modeling everything and programming everything, but even though I sped it up like 20 times or 16 times, I still can't speak throughout the whole video because I really don't have anything to talk about. But we are getting to the end of the modeling part over here. Just few textures, final render, and then we will move into the Unreal Engine part. Also, pardon me if my voice sounds like a bit cracked or something. I have a little bit of a cold. Hopefully that will get away soon. There is the final render, and we are into Unreal Engine. Also, I ran into a few problems trying to record. So as you can see, my cursor is running around the footage, basically doing nothing, but that's because there were a few windows that my software didn't record. I record with OBS, but I cannot see to get it to work properly. So I have to put every single window, every single program into it so it can record, because I cannot record the whole screen. I have to do it all, like there is settings to record the game with full screen or something, so I have to do it through that and then put the window name into it. So yeah, that's that. And now you can see me, basically I call it programming, but it's not really, it's just connecting some blocks into each other. But you can see me program jumping through the platforms, so when it's so you can jump from under the platform onto it, but you won't fall through it. Also some debugs, because if you were falling from the top onto the platform, you would jump into it because it wouldn't have time to react. So I have to put some debugs on that and some other things. Also here I'm doing jumping off the wall, so you can run onto it and then jump off it. In the beginning I had it just simple, it will always launch you from the wall with the same velocity and same direction, but then I reworked it a bit, so it depends on the angle you jump on it to launch you basically. I also did a bunch of things behind the scenes, because otherwise this video would be like 45 minutes long or 1 hour, which I really couldn't talk about it. Welcome to the last part of the video, where I will show you the level, or basically the progress I made in the week. This is the first week, so it's in the beginning of the development, and yeah, it looks really different from the footage that I talked about in the previous part of this video, and that's because the last part of the footage there was basically recorded on Wednesday. So since then a bunch of things changed. So I have Unreal Engine loaded up, and I will hopefully show you the level. So here are the tutorial screens that guide you. It's a bit laggy now when I'm recording and doing all this shit at once. Hopefully it won't be that bad. So in the right hand upper corner you can see the score that will load up as I jump, and you can jump off the walls, as I said, like this. It's not fully fleshed out, I will have to flesh it out later. And basically that's what you do here. There is not much to it, but I only been making it for a week. So that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions for what should I do with the game, let me know down in the comments. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like on the video, and if you're interested to see all the other updates to the game, don't forget to subscribe so you can see them. Bye!